Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a lofted boss base is command is discussed here. And guys, today discuss here Solidworks lecture 25 is discussed here. And guys, Solidworks all 3D commands learn easily and clearly. Explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, lofted boss base command is very useful and very helpful. Create a new design. Okay, this command is learn here. At first open a Solidworks software. Okay, this is our Solidworks software interface and all is command is not active. At first select a plane and draw any 2D geometry and then exit, then all command is active. Okay, at first select a plane is a top plane and plane is a create here, and this command is a more than one plane is use. Okay, create a plane is a distance is a 40 millimeter and this is a 4 is a very important. Okay, this is a correct. 4 plane is a generate here and one by one is drawing a at first this plane is select here, sketch, drawing a rectangle is a center rectangle is draw here. Okay, this body is a correct. Okay, exit, and this is a drawing here and second plane is use and then use a normal and draw a circle is a drawing here. This is a circle. Okay, this is a perfect and exit. Okay, second is a and third plane is also drawing a rectangle. Okay, this is a click a rectangle is drawing here. This is a this. Okay, this is a this and exit, and this is a fourth plane is also select here and click a normal and draw a circle. Okay, this is a perfect and draw a sum, use a more than. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, exit. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, 4 plane is a select here and 4 plane, one is circle and second is rectangle, third is circle and fourth is rectangle. 4 plane is a one by one is drawing here and then use a lofted command is this is a active and use a lofted command. Click a lofted boss base. Okay guys, some important point is discussed here. Lofted boss base is a some point is a learn here. Then lofted boss base adds material between two or more profile to create a solid feature. Okay guys, some important things learn here. Mind ki more than one plane is used here and more than one profile is drawing here and then create a solid feature. Okay, adds material between two or more than profile create a any 2D geometry, then create a solid feature. Okay, then all is a one by one is drawing here. At first select a plane, more than one plane is created and then all plane is one by one is drawing a geometry, then use a lofted boss base. Okay, click here and sum is a profile is click here. This is a first profile. Okay, second this point is a click here, okay, and this is third profile is this, and this is a fourth is a correct here, okay. This is a perfect. Body is create here, okay. This is a okay. One by one all point is created here, and this is a perfect, okay. This is a nice looking here, and all plane is hide, okay. This is a white face, and this is a cartoon is apply here, okay. This is a correct, and color is also okay. This is a blue color is nice here, and this color is a super looking here, okay. This is a perfect, okay. This is a perfect looking here, okay, nice. Okay, this is a perfect, and all plane is hide, okay. This is a correct. All plane is hide, this is a hide, and because body is a 3D body is looking perfect, okay. This is a nice body is correct, okay. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a normal body looking perfect, this is a nice looking, okay. This is a correct, okay. And this cartoon is hide because this is a looking so perfect, okay. Guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a lofted boss base. Some advanced point is discussed here, okay guys. Previous lecture is some basic point is lofted boss base is discussed here, and this lofted boss base command is some advanced point is discussed here, okay. Okay, at first open a Solidworks software, okay, and this lofted boss base command is not active. At first create a 2D geometry drawing here, and then all command is active, okay. At first drawing a top plane and select a reference geometry, and more than one plane is created here, and plane is a 4, okay. This is a correct. 4 plane is better, and one by one is a select here and drawing a geometry, okay. At first select a first create a any circle is drawing here, okay. This is a okay. This is a exit, okay. And second is a sketch normal and drawing a rectangle is a drawing here. This is a correct, exit, okay. And third is a sketch a normal, okay. This is a rectangle, okay. This is a okay. Rectangle is also drawing here. This is a escape, and okay. This is a normal and drawing a circle. One by one is change here, okay. Not same, okay. And last is drawing a rectangle, okay. And this is a drawing a rectangle, okay. This is a perfect, and exit, Okay, 4 plane is created here, and 4 plane is also 4 plane geometry is drawing here. Okay, and this is a lofted boss base command is active, and this body is a perfect. Click here, and this guide curve is help. Okay, at first click this, and this is a second is this, and third is a this, and fourth is this. Okay, this is a perfect, and also guide curve is not drawing here, and okay, this point is not drag here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this point is a correct, but this point is not select here, and some okay, this point is very useful. And guys, one point is very important, boundary curve, boundary boss base is drawing here, then this point is already, this point is anywhere keep here. Okay, keep, but lofted boss base, this point is this point and this point and this. Okay, not anywhere keep, but boundary boss base is this point is anywhere keep, and body is twisted. Okay, okay guys, at first drawing any guided curve, then select a plane. Plane is a top front plane. Front plane is used here, and this is a normal. Okay, this is a perfect, and some line is a click this line, and this okay, this and control. Okay, press control this, and press control this, press control this, and this is this. Okay, and converted entities. Okay, this is a correct, and this is a normal, and some guided curve is use a spline, this point first, and okay, this is a correct, this point is a this, and okay, this point is a this, and this. Okay, this is a correct, right click. Okay, this point is a very important, and this point is a click. Okay, all point is a click here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, guided curve. Okay, select a okay, exit. Okay, and lofted boss base command, first is first point, this second is okay, some okay, this point is a, and this point, and okay, this point, this line and this line all select here, and this is a right click, and this is a construction geometry. Okay, okay, this line and this line and this line, and all is a convert entities line is a, this is a construction geometry. Okay, this is a okay, some front plane is used. Okay, normal point is a use here, and this is a okay, this point click here, and this is a this, and this, and this is a okay, construction line is okay, this is a use a construction line. Okay, use a construction. Okay, okay guys, this point is a exit point Okay, some point is a undo. Okay, this is a correct, and this select this first point, press control button, second, third and fourth was a okay, all point is a construction. Okay, this is a correct, and click OK and exit. This is a looking nice here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and lofted boss base is used here. First point, second and third and fourth. Okay, this is a correct, and this body is perfect, and some use a guide curve. This is a guide curve. Okay, this body is a twisted. Okay, this is a nice. Okay, and click OK. But both side guide curve is also mentioned here. This is a undo is perfect, and this is a front plane is also select here and click a this is a okay, nice, and click again a spline, and this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct, this and correct this. Okay, this is a right click and exit. This is a perfect, and all is a correct and exit. Okay, and again click a lofted boss base, then use a first point, second and third and fourth. Okay, all profile is selected, and then guided curve is a first guide curve body is twist, and second guide curve body is twisted here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is a correct. This is a okay, this is a nice here, and plane is a one by one hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, this is a looking perfect. Okay, and okay, plane is a white, and this body is a cartoon apply here. This is a correct. Okay, this is a okay, this is a this is so nice looking here, and okay, this is a perfect, and any color is a okay, this is a nice color. Okay, this is a perfect, this color is a so nice. Okay, this is a perfect color, this body is a nice. Okay, okay guys, some advanced point is discussed here, and lofted boss base some advanced point is discussed here, and this lecture is complete here. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.